Here we have an at-grade access. The definition of an at-grade access is when there is 0% change in grade between the sidewalk and the crosswalk in the roadway. There are two ways this can be accomplished. The first is when there typically isn't a curb and gutter and the sidewalk is the same elevation as the road. The second is when the crosswalk is raised in the roadway. Here we have an example of a raised crosswalk. For an at-grade access, we measure the running slope and the cross slope. The running slope is measured along the pedestrian path of travel at the connection point between the raised crossing and the sidewalk. The cross slope is measured perpendicular to the path of pedestrian travel at the connection point between the raised crosswalk and the sidewalk. It should be noted that all other pedestrian access elements on the C-170 still need to be filled out when filling out an at-grade access ramp. That way we know you looked at all of the elements to determine if they are applicable or not, and whether the other elements passed or failed.